Hello. Welcome to the medical clinic.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm okay, just a little uncomfortable.
I'm sorry to hear that. How can I help you today?
I have an appointment with the doctor.
Okay, great. What is your name, please?
My name is John.
John. Okay. One moment, please.
Okay,
Yes, I see your name. You have an appointment at 10:30 this morning.
yes, that's right.
Perfect. You are a little early. That's good.
Yeah, I like to come early, just in case.
That's a good idea. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me,
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I have a question. After the visit, can I get medicine here?
No, not here. You will need to go to a pharmacy.
Oh, okay.
The doctor will give you a prescription.
A prescription. Okay,
Yes, it is a paper from the doctor.
I see.
Then you take the prescription to the pharmacy.
Okay, that's clear.
The pharmacist will read it and give you the medicine.
That sounds easy.
Yes, it's very simple.
Do I always need a prescription?
Not always. Sometimes you can buy over-the-counter medicine.
Over-the-counter medicine?
Yes, it is simple medicine. You don't need a doctor's paper.
Oh, okay. Like what?
Like medicine for a cold or a headache.
Oh, I understand now.
Good.
That's helpful.
Do you feel very sick today?
Not very sick, but I feel pain in my back.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It started 2 days ago.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I think maybe I slept in a bad position.
That can happen.
It hurts when I move.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yeah, it is.
Don't worry. The doctor will check your back.
I hope so.
You are in the right place.
This clinic is very clean.
Thank you. We try to keep it nice for everyone.
Yes, it feels calm.
That's good. We want patients to feel comfortable.
Yeah, I feel relaxed here.
I'm happy to hear that.
I have another question.
Sure, go ahead.
Can I pay here after the visit?
Yes, you can pay at the front desk.
Okay,
You can pay after you see the doctor.
that's good.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. That will help with the cost.
That's good to know.
Sometimes you only pay a small copay.
Copay?
Yes, it is a small amount you pay.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Your insurance pays the rest.
That's helpful.
Yes, it makes things easier.
Can I use a credit card to pay?
Yes, we accept credit card.
Great.
Or you can pay with cash.
I think I will use my credit card.
No problem at all.
Sorry, one more question.
That's okay. What is it?
Is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, there is a pharmacy across the street.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's very close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can walk there in about 2 minutes.
That's easy.
Very easy.
After I get the prescription, I go there, right?
Exactly.
That's perfect.
They will help you there.
Good.
And if you have questions, you can ask the pharmacist.
Okay, I will.
Just a moment.
Okay.
The doctor is ready for you now.
Oh, great.
Please go to room 3.
Room 3. Okay.
It's down the hall on the right.
Down the hall on the right.
Yes,
Thank you for your help.
you're very welcome. Take care.
Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm good, just a little tired.
That's normal at the airport. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to San Francisco.
Nice. San Francisco is a beautiful city.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Is this your first time going there?
Yes, it's my first time.
Oh, that's great. You're going to like it.
I hope so.
Do you have a connecting flight?
Yes, I stop in Seattle first.
Okay, that's a common route.
Yeah, it's a short stop.
Let me check your flight. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Okay,
Everything looks good.
great.
Your flight is on time.
That's good to hear.
Yes, no delays today.
That makes me happy.
Are you traveling for work or for vacation?
I'm traveling for work. It's a business trip.
I understand.
I travel often for work.
Oh, really? Do you like it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's honest.
Yeah, I like visiting new places, but I get tired.
That makes sense.
Do you travel often?
Not really. I work here most of the time.
Oh, I see.
Do you usually fly economy or business class?
Usually economy, but today I have business class.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, I wanted more comfort this time.
That's a good idea, especially for work trips.
Yes, I need to rest.
Business class is very comfortable.
I hope so.
It is. You'll have more space.
That sounds nice.
And better food, too.
Oh, really? That's good.
Yes, much better than economy.
I have a question.
Yes, of course.
Is it possible to upgrade seat again?
Let me check for you.
Okay.
I'm sorry. There are no more upgrades today.
That's okay.
You already have a very good seat.
Yes, I'm happy with it.
Good.
Do I have priority boarding?
Let me see. Yes, you do.
Oh, that's nice.
With business class, you have priority boarding.
That's very helpful.
Yes, you can board early.
So I don't need to wait in line?
Exactly.
That's great.
Boarding will start in about 20 minutes.
Okay, I have some time.
Yes, a little time to relax.
The airport is very busy today.
Yes, many flights today.
I see many people.
Especially for big cities like San Francisco.
That makes sense.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
There is a fast food restaurant near gate B10.
Oh, perfect.
You can get something quickly there.
Yes, maybe I will go.
That's a good idea before the flight.
Yes, I don't want to be hungry on the plane.
Good thinking.
Do they accept credit card?
Yes, of course.
Good.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I do.
That's very good.
I always travel with insurance.
That's smart.
It helps if something happens.
Exactly.
I feel safer with it.
That's important.
Do flights get canceled often?
Not often, but sometimes.
Oh, okay.
That's why insurance is useful.
I understand.
Do you like flying?
Yes, but sometimes I feel a little nervous,
That's normal.
especially during takeoff.
Many people feel that.
But after that, I feel okay.
That's good.
I like traveling.
That's great.
I want to visit more places in the United States.
You will. There are many beautiful cities.
Yes, like San Francisco.
And Seattle, too.
Yes, even if it's just a short stop.
Maybe next time you can visit Seattle.
That would be nice.
Okay, your boarding will start soon.
Okay,
Please listen for your group.
I will.
Business class and priority boarding go first.
That's me.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your flight to San Francisco.